ungayilanga amakhono uyambheka ngakutshela ngabantu ngiyazitshela msebenzi weswela manje bona ujele wakho uyamfensa kahle kahle angangifela ngoba uhlanya ngesitayela samampela hey come on funa angithi bengishayela ithu
sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to the conversation with Ntariana bafethu. Namhlanje ngiphethe amajimbo song where we're going to be talking about the recap. What was happening on the weekend this week? We had so many gigs that were happening. Business SNK, Business Make, we had Team Express, and so many gigs were happening. So it's the recap of the weekend. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. What is Soweto to the and make sure you click on your membership button to become a member so you can get exclusive content. So ngizoleta amajita ukuthi asipromote ukuthi ubani ubani, then we take him from there. As I say Soweto.
Invoice uye lo mfana semalini ebutsotsi nasebugebengeni gape ngefonela unyo emuva Team Express unesandla wayengana voice yabona nale ndaba ukuthi uJomo shoot ayi1 abhizi noSimo ayi1 ngisaselapho Simo abantu ababhatalile lezo kuThemen ubatshela ukuthi amalanga wabo ayasondela ayasondela amalanga wabo
uzama ukuthini
ayasondela
ngakaleni kwenu Sima nokuphathini kaThemen.
Okay uzongitshela ne okay uSimo uyazi background check yami ukuthi ime kanjani yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, asiphileni asinandaba makasimo lapho sohlangana khona ayakube mnandi sharp emalini ebutsotsini.
Okay, sharp. Bengicela uku-introduce nje Mkara Mjomane.
Hola bafethu, it's your boy Dariel Jomukopokopi ikhandla la 5 rand head office maqhamweni intombi yakhe ngitshela mahloni samba kanje.
Issue.
Danke u31.
Issue. So guys, it's the recap. We had an event that was happening la eKasi Lokishini Zone 2, which was the event Team Express, whereby big brands pulled up the likes of Jazzy Q, Cubs the Small, Justin PC, and many more. Njengoba tusima beka khona magazi disclaimer on that one. So I wanted to talk about the experience of the event because it's 3 pairs just like that. You tell me the back. So you guys were there because you guys were content creators. You were there to grasp by content. So let's start by kancane yabo. Ngizoqala ngobafo asitshele ukuthi experience yakhe uTeam Express kwenzakalini kwayenzakalani. Okay, ngicela ngoJomo. Okay, ngicela ngayo mkhozi wami ne. Ungitshele everything that happened. How usuke kanjani labo ukhona kini wayalena mfoneleka bekwenzakalani la event.
So that day ngavuka ekseni ngafonela uSoweto. So mangifonela surely izolo ade ngilive. So mangilive la ngikhuluma nalabo bafethi bamadanki bathi angizwakala ngizokanti ingubo yabo. So uyonke angitshela ukuthi nawe yakamadanki wathi ngisase ngivale naye ukuze ngihambe ngilanda ingubo. Sivaye solanda ingubo la basiqeda ukulanda ingubo ngibuyele endlini ngiyoshuthi content le ekasima yabo. So ngoba ethena ngishaya ngethi content yasima because bakhulume ngami ndawo i-comment number 1.
Yeah.
So uba unenhlokelo yebicycle ngathi isitolo sebicycle uyedwa mina.
Yeah.
Yazivele kulonto leyo. So sivase ku-event afethe singene la kube mnandi yabo yonke lento leyo.
Yeah.
So in the meantime ngashana ama-interview la about music le ngishayayo. After la hamba ngoma ngale ngase stage. Sithi ba perform. Shuthi nika perform ama breakdown la shuthi ngiwasala ukuthi angibiza angifake stage. Amangena la stage obvious sekaxayeka manje sengidonsa amaphansi ngikhipha ngivayisa. The thing is ebhlungu ukuthi thina sama upcoming basatha kancane. The thing is sazovathela.
Yeah.
Kufanele bekwazi lokho nje.
Ne.
Manje yonke experience le party ngiconnectile nabantu engifade fanele ngithangane nabo.
Yeah.
Yakhona connectile ashaya content.
So the vibe was giving, like the vibe was giving. Ngafisa uTeam Express ukuthi ephinde futhi la event.
Yeah, njani. Angaphinde ngishaya futhi bethu.
Ne.
Ngaphinde ngishaya.
Okay. Awuthi jumpela ngapha because of emaphakathini yabo. When experience yakho benjani that time you were by the event? Ningene kanjani emaketini kwenzakaleni? Tell us the whole experience ungazinqishi next.
Okay, bafethu mina bengisetafuleni le 20,000 ngihlezi noThemen. and akusintembi yabo abo thimene intwana zami yabo ngikhoti yabo dala ngikhona eleveni yabo manje intwana yamenza something fune ngipromote ngithola dayana ananhliziyo
Yeah.
inhliziyo yangikhula
Yeah.
azwa ngana inhliziyo izinto zami zama-grade
Yeah.
ukuthi ngivule inhliziyo
Okay.
yabona ukuthi manje sicale sakugeneral nojomo yabo
Yeah.
masifike kugeneral bathi yonke ucize VVVIP sakena ngeroma immaculata
Yeah.
VVVIP
Yeah.
amangifika laphana sitholele ngibhouncer and la bouncer ngiyalibheka azi abona uJoma songena yabo ayasilwisa letsotsi
Iplay bounce.
le bouncer nina ningabobani singabobani wena ubani yabo Timen ipatakho bemnandi sorry ma abanye babo bebakodile abanye babo bebakodile
Abubani bebakwatile.
abanye babo
Abubani labo bantu.
abanye babo
Bebakwatile.
bebakodile ukuthi yonke ku-VIP and uhlezi noTimen and uTimen ujamali kogongola makhelwane awusabathe tokhela sowethe yonke
Ne.
ne bheka masifika i-4 cousins yo uTimen usponsor i-4 cousins bafethu uTimen bekaphethe itende le-350,000 itende bekune from Wednesday ezontshiwe kaSlam mina ukhe ngihlala eDeepblue expensive yabo ngizalele ePara bangiletha ngeenyawo waye ngiyisuperstar mina ngiyisuperstar yabo yonke into engiyenza ngiphile vela kimi
Yeah.
nawe Simo ukumele ezwa Simo wakhona nyana wakhona
Simo lejona not to go through.
ya nokosihlobo lo othenga ama-likes wakhe emakuleni
So uthi goes to uthenga ama likes wakhe emkule.
yo baphila i-fake life labantu
Yena noSimo.
ya ngiyabatshela futhi bheka mina umamami Simo obabami bama-celebrity nokusela umamami ugada mina ngithola wayenginele gift and ayibalekeleki
Ne.
hayi
So talking about the experience, bekunjani meet up like with abantu aba-iconic in terms of watching Cubs that is small, ubona bo-Justin and PC, abantu showing love, but yo dog, we love your content, bakhuluma nawe. Ikenza ukuthi ufile kanjani? Do you feel like Timen is giving back to the community by bringing those big people within the culture?
Yeah, oh sure.
Ungaqala bese yonke landela.
Yeah, being honest, khona nama artist bengazicanga ukuthi ngohlangana nawo before that yabo. Yeah, ngisho ukuthi bethu usiza abantu abaningi bethu ngokuthi alethe nama artist la ukuze siconnect even some upcoming fanele sikwazi ukuthi sipanisane so.
Yeah.
Because ekugcineni alikho angeke ngafika akekho umuntu ongakhuphuka.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu ongafiki la ngathothi mina mhlambe into engizalelwe ukuthi ngoba ngizalele la angeke ngiphelele la yabo le mentality enginayo mina ayikho into engiyenza mhlambe athi mara lento izongikhosta ngiyazakhona
Yeah, fela
sure dinga isibindi impilo mfana dinga isibindi phela
ne.
okunye nokunye uzokubona brother yabo.
Yeah. So when so I tell you your answer regarding the question.
mina ngithi ivumelana no-cupcake
Number 1.
awusabathi tokhela enye question direct
So shout out to
shout out to
Timen Express
Timen.
for bringing abantu be capacity engaka and my numbers. So we have someone at the back who was also part of the event, but that particular person has a different story compared to what you said. Yabo. So lo muntu lo DJ plus the producer yabo. Black China Music. Say Black China Music. So uhleli no Noxman who's a producer and a beat maker also. So Black China Music. When I joined Paya, what did you experience?
bekasefensini uncedo yini mani uchayela mani
No.
buza uJomo
Yeah, it's a cool. It's a cool.
Okay, mina experience I can say is okay. regarding ama-artist and whatsoever ama-big artist, yes yona it's a good thing ukuthi okwazile ukuyenza leyo nto leyo abalethe la ekhasi, and which is obviously nathi leyo nto leyo asinayo leyo experience leyo. Ukhulumele esidini yami anginayo leyo experience leyo. Ngokuqala abanye abantu ngibabona in person lapha. Yabo, but then khona ngisho ukuthi i-event grand, and obviously indaba I feel like ikhona izinto esaleka lapha big time
in terms of us respectani at all.
How so?
As respectani as in like upcoming artist nama artist vele awada already, like a big artist and as respectani. Yes, angali wena lento yenzayo ispan sami nami hlonipha ispan sami ngisenza. Anyeke uthi ungibize ngo-80, mawungibize ngo-80 kanjalo uthi ngizokudlalela. But then mangifika ngo-8 kukhona omunye umuntu odlalayo lapha, and which is lo muntu odlalayo ubig ukudlula mina. Obviously uzochoose lo muntu lo ubig odlula mina obviously, and ngibuze futhi ngiyekuye futhi ngibuze ukuthi khamba kanjani lapha, bathi uzongena fika nala big artist again ungene lona. So lokho kusho wena ma upcoming artist yona leyo ukutshela ukuthini
you're less of an
yabo
artist.
ukuthi ezinye izinto khona I'm saying ukuthi it's a good thing ukuthi abalethe lawo bantu lawo, but then to ama upcoming artist Joe like yo kuningi lapha okungakufezi
because it was gonna be nice like kudlala uCabs after Cabs akudlala upcoming artist or uqala upcoming artist bese after kudlala uCabs.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So sometimes we know we are giving
China awukho big man.
No.
Oh, relax. Tareno. Big China. China isikhathi kuma sifika sizofika.
Yes, we understand, but
asicela ubig.
You're not getting the point.
No, China. Noma ungangena ngo7 ake uhlulisana namapholisa China.
I do understand.
China isikhathi sakhe as an artist. What if you gig after that?
Ufika noMelon uSleazy.
Yeah, but then if
bangekadlali ukuthi Melon uSleazy.
If kune schedule sokuperform, yonke into ihambe ngeschedule because lento leyo kuhambisa izinto ischedule ezingafani iyenza ukuthi ama-artist amaningi abhole because umelele la artist liqede and bekumele angene ngesikhathi sakhe sekumele speed imoto ukuthi aye kwenye event ekubeni nomdelay athole accident. So anibone lezi zinto ezincane ezikhosa ukufa nithi hayi because i-big artist. No, respect isikhathi somunye umuntu noma ngaba ne-one follower, respect isikhathi somunye umuntu because akabhekanga lento leyo kuphela, ziningi izinto azenzayo. So what he did was wrong, and I'm saying it out loud, T-Man, what you did was wrong. I don't know which reason, but it's true. Respect isikhathi sawonke umuntu. Yena bekazofila kanjani if bamenza kanjani? Wena bozofila kanjani if akwenza kanjani?
Nah, ukhule bamenza so nabo China nabo funeka ba-understand ukuthi kule game you must lift your socks
up. Dog, how can you lift your socks up while kunama-potential badlala balandelana wena udlala la kusekungasana abantu? For you to be on that event, that's you lifting your socks up. So they need to assist you when lifting your socks up. So what he did was wrong.
Man, China cannot do a papa.
So Bafidi, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. This way to currently in the conversation within Tariana. Basically, this is an epic guide and what was happening on the previous weekend is away. So what I was saying is with even yourself, because of feel kanjani bambuke ngo 1 o'clock. Then goes maporis and when any gig bafaka maporis abakhiphe. So that's uncalled for, dog. Like that's not okay. Yeah, boy. So China, you wanna add more on what you say?
Mina into kuphela ngifuna nje uku-add, but then okunye nje kuba nje great.
Beziwa man.
Yeah, beziwa. Khona bekumnandi khona.
Awukho big.
Bokumnandi khona.
China awukho big.
Ayikho big.
Okay, so tell us about the vibe.
Mina Tariyana
ugcina show amabhounds.
Yabona mina ngizokutshela ivangebo.
Now ukho big. Bacha ukuthi awukho big.
Okay. I paid. Oh, I'm a pastor actually. Why so good as so show my powers, man?
Abana mina mfethu ukuthi benizwile sharp. Esimo nalama phansi wakho asipana eMadrid Ngiyawazi. Ayekho umuntu engamazi mina. Mina nguSoweto yonke. Ngikhula shapa. Ngizokubamba wena.
So uzama ungitshela ukuthi uSima ushawa amabhounce kaSima. Yo.
Noma ungahleka Jomo.
Wena ngibona bamshaya wena.
Angibonanga obvious bengihleli ngale VIP ngala emva kwethe.
Bangakulisela for ukuchama. I'm a decent guy. Angichame babondweni. China, ngichame babondweni. Bangicela ukuchama ngicela kuwe ngithole ethola. Ngichamele estradini.
Okay.
Simo, mamela la. Ne, uNkulunkulu abe nawe imithandazo yakho isheshe ifike la eSoweto. Ungalingi ugande eSoweto Simo. Engokumele mina ngida. Noma ngabe uSimo ngobani? Idanke eliphelele. Ngicela ngawe.
So question number 2 ne. Question number 2 we had a podcast that we shot no Gwabo test our then. That podcast was more focused. I didn't get or that podcast was focused basically mainly on dating about the Gwabo test and isn't this his face as a cheat. Mina as my point of view regarding the episode layer. The episode is fire and that episode is crazy, ne? But I've realized how fucked up we are as a youth, whereby we think we can dombazania cheater and we think we can dombaz and we won't cheat. Kuna bantu ababelievela in spirituality whereby as ukuthi falala nomunye umuntu uthatha ukungcola kwakhe. You understand? Ukuthi the problem is si-clustered Soweto. So lezi zinto esizibone Soweto sicabanga ukuthi zenzeka yonke indawo. Akhona amantombazana angachiti, akhona abafana bangachiti. So angazi ke bafethu what you take about the episode besishutha lapha.
Mina ngikhala ngale ntwana eGwabo testa. Anyakhala mina ngayo. Le ntwana ngifuni. Ngisakhuluma.
So iqedile.
Angifuni le ntwana.
Like mangizoblanda fandazi ngifika ukhala bokhalelani.
Ngikhalele ukuthi uSimo ngizovela kubo. Yabona nomdingo. Yabona umdingo. Izolo bengisemingi njami. Okay. Ejomo ngikhala 1000 ngelanga. Awenzi next. Mucho ngoveja mina. Emdingo angicekezi. Angicekezi mina.
Oh what ucekezi?
Mdingo angispina lokushini wena. Angithengisi amafoni mina. Asiki chip kuku wena. Uyangibhekela. Uzongibhekisa endaweni kaKabelo. Kabelo sorry. Makumdingo. Yebo athi mayibonana. Iyothi mayihlanga. Khuluma Jomo weekend yakho benjani? Izolo benjani?
No, we are talking about the episode. So when I want to take about the episode.
Yeah, phethu nami yazingumjida ngoba ngisakhula nje. Khona nami izinto engifundile nami yabo. As you said ukuthi wonke amantombazana ukuthi afair, but the thing is asikaku like explore kahle impilo ukuthi hamba kanjani yabo.
Yeah.
Hayi lokho ngifundile nje.
Well, podcast there. So bafethu the podcast is dropping tomorrow, which is kusasa. So besiphethe Gwabo testa njengoba tuzoshaya neGwabo testa yamabikini abantu bayalalana.
Angikho mina. Mina la ntwana ngifuni. Iyenza show, mayiqeda ukwenza ishow. Ipostiwa. And ngibhikana niyona. NoJomo uyazi ukuthi ngibhikana nani. Na mangafuna yeke. Ambhikana niyo mfana. Mina ngibhik. Angiboni la South Africa ukuthi ukhona umuntu obhiki njengami. Yonke bakafikile endaweni abantu abasabambanga.
Okay.
Jomo wenzani?
Ngiyambona uJomo la. Kunantwana mina ngiyibona ngathi big ku TikTok uma selive ubhiki kunayo.
Oma Silva.
Yeah.
Yo. Get ukuthula. Ale question gayo Jomo. Oma Silva ngimazi mina.
Wewe yo.
Wezini?
Yo.
Angimcabi
Wezini?
Yo.
Unga wena umcabi.
Now Jomo ngumcabi.
Musu ikhohlisa boy. Ngathi maqala nawe. Kade ngafeka le game le.
Eish.
So fana mamela boy. Mamela. Mamela musa mfana.
I told you.
Ngiyoceda ngayo lo.
Ngitshelile ngokusukuma man like listen.
Wena noma Silva nginazi wena ubuye emaplazini Jomo uma Silva bekafunda la Soweto nizosicwalisa la Soweto nifuna content Jomo ngidanga eliphelele mina
Sharp.
ngiceda ngayo
Ngidango sharp.
wenza uma Silva wena
Poison. Angengilokho ngikhuluma kakhulu. Ayikho ilokhuza into esifana secompression ngayo. Mina nasikho iligebe.
okay my chance asimamelani la sayuzana yabo and sinceda uTarian yabo after la le show le esiqalile nabo Jomo nalento nekho testa yimi host kusasa uJomo uyagcina kuza lana nalento nekho testa ehlala Freedom Park yabo mina hey oh no beef on no Tarian relax utholile ya video le ntwana yenza malini ku YouTube le ntwana asikhuluma iba mina mgangster Tarian ngibambi Jomo ngibamba Jomo ngibamba Jomo ngafuna ngikubambe ungangibambi ungathi poison esaha emakhula kanzima mamela la yo makekela ngaphandle wena ukekela ngaphandle wena Jomo umosha ebusuku womise ngempahla ucela ukutshentsha impahla
Mamela mfana
omncane kubani
Mamela mfana.
Jomo khipha inhloko man angiyiboni le pasapaza phela lapha ukuthi ime nonke umuntu ufuna ukuthatha le nhloko
Poison.
Okay, mamela said like.
Poison. Yawo mina njami fele ngiyivuma icontent yakho icontent creator but Prami
asingisima
Mamela
Hey,
Mamela
uba nongakhombi
boy
ungakhombi
uzokhala boy
umncane
uzokhala
kancane relax.
ngizokhoba ngihambe ngebhadi ngikorobhe ngawo la phansi ngiyongithola Mamela lento engizokhuluma la izosiza wena
Mamela bona tonza
Bheka esibala sibala manje bheka lento engizama ukuyikhuluma la izoyakha wena
suni wakho
sikusho.
yabona into lengizama ukutshela wena
ungitsheli wena Jomo ungitsheli next usebenzisa thina ukuthi ube right wena yale show iphelile manje ebheka eTarani wesisikhathi sethu lo manje ebheka mina ngidanga eliphelele manje eTarani
besiku topic man besizoyivala ne ngizwa bathi ku VIP babelokho banikhipha kayi2 lapho ku 2 minutes press banikhipha banibuyisela kanti yini nama brand angaka niphushe kangaka
mina ngikhetha ukuthula
ukuthi babelokho banikhipha ku VIP
ayithi babone inhloko zethu
banibuyisela futhi
la mina by my side la ngishwe khona inkathi ngisingi lapha stage ngaphinde ngabuyela ngahamba ngohlala la ngalana ngemuva ngisanga ngisho nangala stage
yeah ne so usakhuluma mfuna era something
ngithi Mdingo ucekezelwa ngayimi obuze lo hlala naye sabathele wena ehlogela and ngicela ungadelele indawo kaKabelo Mdingo uhlonipha uKabelo ngoba uKabelo ngihlonipha and let disrespect unginikeze yona mangifika lapha eTenish angithandanga and ukhuluma nami Mdingo akwazi ngibulisa Mdingo asibraham Mdingo asibraham funa ukuthalwazi ukuthi asibraham ngechile
yes so bafethi soyetho yonke bafethi kwatile bathi igcikezile in which ingagcikezana so it's about time to